Hello fam, welcome back again to the channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian dry fish light soup recipe. One of the easiest light soup recipe that you can think of. Very easy, as I said, and trust me, you're going to love the outcome. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin with this dry fish light soup recipe, let's start by cooking our vegetables. So I'll be cooking some pepper, carrots, one medium-sized onion, fresh tomatoes. Next, I'll also go in with some garden eggs. I'll go in with enough water to cook this very well. Now, after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's looking super soft and ready. Now I'm going to set this aside and I'll blend this off camera. Remember as well to use any vegetable of your choice. Now whilst that is going on, let me also go ahead and start by steaming my proteins. I'll be using dry fish as I said, and this is assorted dry fish. Alright, so I also added in a little bit of pork and salted beef as well, which is totally optional. Let's go in with some tomato paste and also some chopped onions to steam alongside with it. Don't forget to go in with some water and also some salt to taste. Alright, so now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and very juicy. Now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Alright, so we are back to check on our proteins, and as you can see, it's looking super juicy and the stock on the meat has also taken up as well. So now all that is left is for us to go in with our blended vegetables. After adding in the blended vegetables, I also go in with enough water. The amount of water always depends on how light or thick you want your light soup to be, so always take note, okay? Alright, so now I'll give it a very gentle stir because I don't want to disturb my proteins as well. It smells really good in here, Charlie. As I always say, always do trust the process and you're going to love it. Now I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu, so let me top it up with a little bit of okra. It is totally optional. I'll cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Alright, so if you're still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and delicious Ghanaian light soup recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our soup is looking super good and very delicious. All that is left right now is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. I enjoyed mine with fufu, as I said. Trust me, you can also enjoy your light soup with any swallow or any combo of your choice. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. To subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.